This particular trade has done more than 4,000 pips, and I want to show you exactly how you can make profitable, consistent, perfect entries like this using the ICC Forex trading strategy. So whether you are a pro or beginner Forex trader that is still struggling with making entries or making sniper or perfect entries using the ICC strategy, this video is for you. You need to understand that there are rules to ICC, and if you do not pay close attention to this video, you will not get all the information in details. And at any moment you start finding value in this video, I would like you to simply touch the thumbs up. It is free. Now share this to help all beginner Forex traders you would like to help. Now to start with, we look at the 4-hour time frame, and you see right here that in general price is on uptrend. We are not talking about a candlestick. This is where we place the trade. You can see this is 0.05 loss size, and right now you see all that it has done. Why did we place a buy instead? Now you need to get something. If you are trading using ICC strategy, the first thing you do is when you open the chart on XAUUSD, you find out what is the direction of the market. Like you see in this case, this is an uptrend. We are not talking of one candle. We are not talking of a particular structure. Like when you open the chart and you scroll, in general, it is an uptrend. Okay. In that case, we are considering of buying. But then before you buy, there is something you also need to know. One is that if you are trading with ICC strategy, there is a rule. Rule number one is that price will not break structure on higher time frame unless it intends to reverse or it is consolidating. Price will rarely break structure unless it intends to reverse, meaning unless it wants to change trend, okay? For as long as price keeps on maintaining structure on the higher time frame like the 1 hour, it simply means that it will continue to push up. Now, what is structure? In case you are not aware, this is the structure we are talking of. If you look right here on the 4-hour time frame, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, and this is a higher low. So why do we say higher high, higher low, and higher low? This is what it means. When you are considering and saying that price is on uptrend on 4-hour time frame, what it simply means is that each structure, each formation that the price makes is higher than the previous high. When you open the chart, each formation is higher than the previous one. If you check it from the bottom, if you check it from the downside, the structure down is usually higher than the one it made before. The next one is higher than the one it made before. And then if you check it from the upper side, it makes higher high, and higher high. It keeps on maintaining higher high. So when it goes up, the moment it comes down, it will not go lower than the previous low, okay? And then it goes high and goes higher than the previous high. So it is maintaining that structure in the upward direction. So we say that in general, it is an uptrend because we are seeing this structure in the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So now that you have seen that price will rarely break structure on higher time frame unless it intends to reverse, that means you have a very high percentage of making profit if you are looking for buying position instead of looking for selling position. That's why when it is on uptrend, you are looking for opportunity to buy. Okay, so now we have established one fact. It is an uptrend because we see it pushing up on the 4-hour time frame. So now, at what point exactly do you make an entry? Now look here. Still want to rephrase in case you are not aware. When we are talking about ICC strategy simply means indication, correction, continuation. So the moment price made a high, the moment it formed a high structure, it is giving you an indication that it is going up. So when it makes that particular indication, the next thing you are looking for is called correction. The correction you see on the 4-hour time frame, like a massive bearish candle coming down, that is a correction for buyers, okay? There is a buy. The market shows you I am going up, but then you see it coming down. That moment it is coming down, it is only coming down so that you can make a profitable or perfect entry. You join the moving train so that you move together. That is just the only reason why it is coming down. So for you to find the position for you to now join that moving train so that it will continue on the uptrend, you don't need to do that on the 4-hour time frame. You simply zoom down to the lower time frame, like the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes or even the 5 minutes, in the areas where you can get this information of when it's about to continue the uptrend clearer is on the lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes. Some people even use 1 minute, but 1 minute has a lot of noise right there. Okay. So you see that on the 30 minutes time frame, you see it was pushing all the way down before, but it started forming higher low, and higher low. And you can see that, yes. So this alone has given us that indication that it now wants to continue going up, okay? Because it was supposed to cross this level here and keep pushing down, but it didn't. Instead, it began to push higher, okay? So as at this moment, we are now looking for an entry. So this is what you do. You now see that price finally kept on pushing up and even crossed all of the previous high. It broke this particular structure, and the structure it broke here is of the correction. It's telling you the correction is over. That correction that you see happening on the 4-hour time frame, it is over. That's why we are no longer going down. There is nothing to correct. Are you joining us now or not? So that we can keep pushing into the highs, right? Yeah, so that's why you see right here, we waited. Yeah, we took a lot of time. Yeah, ordinarily, we would have bought even before this time, but most of the time I love to zoom to even the 15 and 5 minutes time frame just so you see it clearer. You see the highs that is formed even on the 5 minutes time frame. So we would have even bought here, but we decided to be patient. So if you have seen the structures broken, at this moment you are free to buy as far as you are following the trend, and it will keep on pushing, and about 90% of the time you're going to be right, okay? But then there is something I really need you to understand. In as much as ICC Forex trading strategy is making Forex trading simpler, ICC shows you the direction. It does not build your emotional acumen. So you can try this out, okay? If you are a pure brand new beginner Forex trader, try using the strategy and make your entry. Now, while you are trading using the ICC strategy, it's important to understand that it requires you to have the patience to wait for the correction to be over so that you see the signs that, man, we are now going to the top. Not the moment you see just one higher low, you storm into trade. It's important that it breaks the up structure also, like it makes higher highs, especially on the 15 minutes time frame. And if you're a swing trader, it makes sense to wait for it to break the structure even on the 30 minutes time frame so that you get into the buys Alright. Now, it is also important for you to understand that what ICC strategy or ICC concept gave me is the edge. It didn't give me the psychological or emotional acumen to be able to stand the trade. But there is a very sweet part I didn't even tell you. This particular trade that you see right now was even called for the people in our VIP signal on Telegram, and they have actually been cashing out. They actually took this trade like they took this trade, man. Yeah, but then you can join the our free community via the link in this video description. And remember to share this video to help beginner Forex traders that are still struggling on entries using the ICC Forex trading strategy. However it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this.